Well, hello there! Welcome to another recipe video. Today we are reviving zombie bananas, aka making banana bread. This is the perfect recipe for using up old, overripe bananas. Preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius and prepare your baking tray. I usually line it with 2 pieces of baking paper, overlapping them and sticking the sides down with the help of some non-stick spray. Ensure the corners are covered with baking paper. This makes releasing the loaf from the pan so much easier. Take 4 small ripe bananas and mash it up with a whisk or a fork. You can freeze overripe bananas until you're ready to use them. Just remove it from the freezer a few hours before you start baking. In a separate bowl, whisk up 2 eggs and optionally a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla is not required, but I tend to use it in nearly all my baked goods as it adds to the overall aroma and flavor of the finished product. Add 60 grams plain yogurt and mix until well combined. You can use buttermilk or sour cream as a substitute. Next up, mix in 110 grams melted butter. You could amp up the flavor by using burnt butter instead, like we did in the brownies video. The first time I tried burnt butter was in a banana and caramelized white chocolate blondie recipe. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see the recipe. Whisk in the mashed bananas until well combined. Next, sift in the dry ingredients, which consists of 270 grams flour, 200 grams sugar, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, aka baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. The cinnamon is optional but highly recommended. It adds extra flavor and warmth without tasting too cinnamony. Is that even a word? It is now. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. At this stage, you can add chocolate chips or walnuts to the batter to add even more flavor and texture. If you've watched any of my other videos, you would know that I love adding chocolate to my baked goods, but I didn't have any at the time of filming the video. It wasn't because I ate the chocolate the day before, not at all. Next up, you will take your batter and spoon it into the prepared baking tin. Make sure to spread out the batter so that it bakes evenly. This is quite a thick batter, so it won't spread out on its own in the oven. Bake for 1 hour at 165 degrees Celsius. Check on your banana bread after about 40 minutes and test it with a skewer. If it comes out dry, it's done. If the top is browning but the skewer is coming out wet, you can place some foil over it to stop the top from browning while allowing the rest of the loaf to continue baking. Just place it loosely over the top to allow space for the bread to rise as it's baking. Let it cool down before removing it from the baking tray and cutting into it. And there it is, easy peasy banana bread. It's a simple recipe that I believe should be in any novice or advanced baker's repertoire. Thanks for watching. Let me know what recipes you want me to try. Until next time.